This is a recipe video on how to make Cajun salmon with mustard greens with Nuwave Brio 7QT. First, select preset number 46. The Brio will automatically set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes. Combine olive oil, smoked paprika, seafood seasoning, and cayenne pepper. Then brush the mixture evenly over the salmon. Then season the salmon with salt and pepper. After preheating, pull out the tray and place the salmon inside. Halfway through the cooking, the Brio will beep and display flip. Pull out the tray and flip the salmon. Slide the base tray inside, and the Brio will automatically resume in cooking. When the countdown finishes, plate the salmon with mustard greens and garnish with Cajun sauce. The Cajun salmon with mustard greens is ready to serve. Enjoy.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.